Six Sigma, a complete step-by-step guide, provides an in-depth and structured approach to understanding and implementing Six Sigma methodology to enhance organizational efficiency, reduce errors, and drive business growth. Six Sigma, initially developed by Motorola and later popularized by General Electric, is a rigorous, data-driven approach aimed at achieving near-perfect results in business processes. This guide explores Six Sigma's core principles, the various roles involved, and the statistical tools and methodologies that make it effective. It also serves as a practical manual for businesses aiming to implement Six Sigma techniques to reduce waste, minimize variation, and continuously improve. At its foundation, Six Sigma is about defining, measuring, analyzing, improving, and controlling processes, a methodology known as DMAIC. The book delves into each of these stages, explaining how businesses can define specific goals related to customer satisfaction, use statistical measurements to understand current performance, analyze root causes of variation or inefficiencies, make improvements through targeted interventions, and establish controls to sustain gains. Each phase is explained with practical examples, making it clear how organizations can integrate these steps into existing workflows. This structured, iterative process is designed to eliminate costly and repetitive errors while fostering a culture of continual improvement. A unique aspect of Six Sigma is its focus on roles and certification levels. This book details the various belts, white, yellow, green, black, and master black belt, that signify expertise levels within the methodology. Each level comes with specific responsibilities. White and yellow belts are typically beginners with basic Six Sigma knowledge, green belts have intermediate knowledge and can work on projects, black belts are experts who lead teams, and master black belts oversee larger initiatives and mentor other practitioners. The guide includes insights into the training and certification processes for these levels, making it a valuable resource for organizations aiming to build in-house expertise. The guide's statistical focus is particularly valuable, providing an overview of tools like Pareto charts, cause and effect diagrams, regression analysis, hypothesis testing, and control charts. While Six Sigma heavily emphasizes statistics, the book makes these concepts accessible for readers without a background in mathematics. Each tool is explained in context, showing how it aids in identifying inefficiencies and uncovering opportunities for improvement. By emphasizing a statistical approach, Six Sigma allows for objective decision-making and provides measurable results, a core component that distinguishes it from other process improvement methodologies. Additionally, the book covers the importance of identifying critical to quality (CTQ) characteristics, which are metrics that directly impact customer satisfaction. Focusing on CTQs enables companies to prioritize issues that matter most to their customers, ensuring that improvements align with customer expectations. For instance, if a customer values quick service, reducing time lags becomes a primary CTQ metric. By aligning improvements with CTQs, Six Sigma ensures that the changes made resonate with customers, driving loyalty and increasing market share. Cultural transformation is another key theme. Six Sigma is not just about processes, it's also about fostering a mindset of quality, accountability, and continuous improvement throughout the organization. This guide emphasizes that adopting Six Sigma successfully requires commitment from all levels, starting from leadership down to individual contributors. Leaders play a critical role in championing the process, setting ambitious goals, and creating an environment where data-driven decision-making is valued. Employees are encouraged to take ownership of processes, contribute to innovation, and maintain a focus on customer satisfaction. The shift in mindset promoted by Six Sigma can be transformative, leading to lasting changes in organizational culture. Real-world case studies included in the guide illustrate how Six Sigma principles have been successfully applied across industries. These examples demonstrate the versatility of Six Sigma, with applications in manufacturing, healthcare, finance, and more. For instance, in manufacturing, Six Sigma has helped companies reduce defect rates, streamline production, and save costs. In healthcare, it has been used to improve patient outcomes, reduce waiting times, and minimize errors. The book's case studies provide concrete evidence of Six Sigma's impact and highlight the methodology's potential for cross-industry application.